If you are unsure on how to change the weights on a machine at the gym, this video is going to show you exactly how you can use the pull pin method to change the weights to add more, to take some away, and ultimately make your gym experience so much easier and less embarrassing. So most gyms actually have a very similar mechanism when we're changing weight machines, where essentially all you have to do is pull this pin out of the side, as you can see here, and then you put it in the other place. So it's simply pull it out and make sure it's stuck all the way back in. Sometimes you might notice it gets a little stuck. So if this happens, I recommend putting a little bit of pressure down into the weight stack, as this can take off some of the force from it before actually putting it in to another area. Then from there, you can try to see if this is a good weight for you. And if you notice it's a little too hard, then you can go back and just simply switch it to a different weight. You may have also noticed these things hanging near the weight stack too. This is just simply additional weight. Usually these are about 2.5 and 5 pounds, and simply go on the weight stack to the side to give it a little bit more of a buffer instead of jumping from 10 pounds on the next weight stack. So that's all there is to it. And whether you're using a lat pull down machine or any other weight system, most of them are going to be very similar when you're going to the gym. If you found value from this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, helping you inside the gym and become healthier in life. And check out these other 2 videos showing you how to use some equipment in the gym. Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away.